Hi, my name is Deanna Lyons, and this is another video in the Solopreneur series. And this is a special request for someone who said they have trouble when it comes to the stress around a launch. And there are so many different moving pieces that go into it. Just start tapping, and if you're going through a launch yourself or getting ready to do one, tap along with me. We're just going to tap around the stress, or tap down, hopefully, the stress that comes around with doing a launch. Even though it is so stressful to put together all the moving parts that go into a launch, and this stress is starting to get pretty overwhelming. I'm open to the possibility that I don't have to hang on to the stress. I might feel it, but I don't have to hang on to it. On the top of the head, all this stress, it is so stressful. There's so many moving components, so many things to think about. People think I'm getting rich by doing all these launches and putting out all these programs. If they only knew the amount of work that goes in behind the scenes, they would realize it's not as easy as they think. Sometimes I make money and sometimes I don't. And that's where all this pressure comes from. Will I do all this work and then they won't get it? What if I do all this work and they won't buy it? I spent all this time, all this effort, thinking about my clients, preparing all the information, scouring over every single word, and making sure things are just right. And then invariably, I find something I missed because I've been looking at it. Not sleeping right, not eating right. I've been working on all of those things. I hope they'll get it. Go ahead and just pause for a minute and just check in. Sometimes you don't really know what else to say. And so it's good just to stop, check in again, and see what's going on. And let's jump back in. Even though I don't really know how well this is going to be received, I've done my homework, and I'm choosing to be open to things working out, because they always do, one way or another. This launch, it's been occupying my every thought, just about every thought, and occupying so much of my time. I know it'll work out. And I want it to do more than work out. I also know that this work is powerful. And I know it will help the people it's meant to serve. And that's why I do it. And I'm imagining the joy I'll see on my client's face when they reach their goals after they've taken this class. And when I think about that, it makes all the work worthwhile. I've got this, and I'm ready for a successful launch. Here's to you having a successful launch. Wishing you all the very best as we solopreneurs march on together. Thanks so much.